So here we are with the Kemimoto cup holder. What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to my channel. Go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, look at you. Look at you. You clicked on one of my videos, you watched it, you liked it, and then you subscribed, and now look, we're here together again. Today we are going to be going over a cup holder. I never thought that I would be happy about getting a cup holder on my bike, but here we are. We're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Kemimoto cup holder. It's like a thermal cup holder, and it's got a little pouch in the front of it, which is pretty cool. I don't see myself always riding with a cup holder, but hey, I would like to have it on there if I take a trip or something like that. If you guys don't know, this is my 2023 Road Glide ST. I've been doing a lot of upgrades to it. If you've been following along, I bought this bike in December. I traded in my 2021 Lowrider S for this bike. I absolutely love it. We've got a lot of upgrades coming. I've got the thrashing setup, I've got the saddle and seat, I've got the saddlebag liners. I've got some stuff on this bike, but I've got an exhaust coming soon, so that should be pretty awesome. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but let's just say that it's black chrome. All right, so go ahead, subscribe so you can stay tuned for that content. If you're new, go look at some of my other videos, watch them, like them. I really appreciate it. I work at Independence Harley-Davidson here in Charlotte, North Carolina, where I sell Harleys. I'm on the front line. I make a lot of good content, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button or subscribe. Okay, I'm done with that. So here we are. We've got the Kemimoto cup holder and pouch. So we're gonna open this up, throw it on the bike. It looks pretty solid though. Like, this is pretty cool. Like, I'll go to Starbucks, get a coffee, put it in the cup holder, and cruise. Here we are with the bike. I actually just put this GoPro mount right here, and I'm excited to test that out. We've got the full thrashing setup on the Road Glide ST, and I'm loving it. The Avon grips. So let's get this cup holder unboxed and put together, and then let's get it on the bike and feel it out. Kemimoto has two different types of cup holders, and I figured this one would be the most functional. Okay, this is not bad. Good quality. Got the Kemimoto logo, Kemimoto logo. All right, looks like we got some hardware here. Where to mount it? Got a clamp. Sweet. Got a clamp for this, for the bar. An Allen. This thing's pretty tall. All right, we've got some hardware here that I'm guessing goes on the back. Right there somewhere with this, and we'll get that installed. First, let's open this little pouch here. Maybe there's something in there. Nope, nothing in there. Okay, but that's still cool. Nice little pouch right there. Maybe my phone will fit in there. Yeah, it will. It's not bad. If you look on the inside, there is like some thermal stuff in there to keep it insulated. So if you got a cold or hot drink, that is going to keep it insulated. Oh, look, there's the instructions. All right, you're gonna wanna sit on the bike and adjust this. See how I set it up, and it's angled wrong. So you got to figure out where you're going to mount it to your handlebar, and then how you want the cup holder adjusted. So got to take this off and redo it. See how the angle is off? It's angled this way. So I'm going to readjust it so that it's straight where I want to clamp it to the bar. I finally got this in a spot that I am content with. It's angled a little bit weird, but it still works out pretty good. This thing's actually pretty cool because I'm trying to put my GoPro somewhere or my phone somewhere after I'm like filming. That's a really good spot to put things and take things out of. Let's get it out on the road and see what it looks like.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Not too shabby. I'm liking how this looks. It's not throwing off the vibe of the bike. The vibe of the bike. It's not throwing off the vibe of the bike. Son of a bitch! Too much. All right. There we go. So here we are with the Kemimoto cup holder here. You can see there's a little draw strap right there. Right now, I've got my phone in here. I mean, you know what? I was running the Thrashin T-bar bag right up here, but I was filling it up so much so when I would turn, it would lock up my steering. It was messing with the steering of the bike, and I was like, no, I'm not having that at all. But the thing is that I like to hold the GoPro sometimes, you know, and film and ride, and I need somewhere quick to throw it. So it'll go just right in here, no problem, along with like my phone. You know, I've got my quad lock phone mount right here, and when I take that off and I want to film a quick little Snapchat or something like that and I need to throw it back, look at that. I love that. This is just another compartment. Yeah, another compartment or little luggage thing, but it's also a thermal cup holder, which is pretty awesome. I mean, it's got multifunctional qualities here that I'm picking up on. Also, another thing is I usually keep my garage door opener down here, and I kind of gotta, you know, fondle it real good so that I can grab it and press the right button. But I've just put it in this little pouch right here, which is pretty cool. So I'll be able to get access to that really quickly and open the garage door. So, I mean, you guys, this thing's not that expensive. I think it's like 20-30 bucks. It's not that expensive. It's gonna make a good little helpful thing for a trip. Now, I got my heel toe shifter now. That's the extended heel toe shifter from Dennis Kirk. Might as well talk about that for a second because I wanted to make sure I kept all the space I had on my floorboard. So I got that extended heel toe shifter, and I mean, it's smooth. I like it. I like it. I like having the option of shifting with my toe or my heel. Anyways, you guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. The Kemimoto cup holder, I'm digging it. It comes on and off really easily, so I can throw it on there. It's a nice spot to hold my stuff while I'm riding, especially if I'm taking a long trip or something like that. This is gonna come in handy. I've got my little garage door opener right here so that I can open it up. My only criticism about this is that it didn't really fit how I wanted it to on my handlebar. If you look, it's kind of angled weird. I'd rather have it more straight. I'm an OCD kind of person. It wouldn't maneuver like I wanted it to. It only has two positions. You can clamp it straight on or through the side. So there's no like angle or anything where you can like really customize it to where you want it. But other than that, I mean, I'm not hating on it. I'll use it for a long trip. Hell, I might use it pretty often just to have spot to when I'm filming my YouTube videos and have a spot to throw the GoPro into or anything. I really like that. I mean, you can even put your phone in here. Now, another thing is, look, it hangs pretty low, you know, but it's not touching my gas tank. It's like maybe a tiny small centimeter right above hovering with my phone in there. So it's not really touching the tank, which is awesome. So that's a plus. Whatever, big video, small item, you know, but I figure some of you guys might be looking at cup holders. This is a really good one for the price point. It doesn't look bad. It's better than having a T-bar bag on the Road Glide just because of how close this is. I can't turn the handlebar when I have stuff in that T-bar bag, unfortunately. But what do you guys think? Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think, how this looks. I definitely will run this on any kind of trip I take, or heck, I mean, I might do it just on my daily commute, honestly, just to have something there. It wiggles a little bit. It's wiggling and jiggling.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
But it's not gonna fall off. It's got a button right here, so it's buttoned. It's not gonna go anywhere. It may jiggle or wiggle. Oh man, almost 1,000 miles on the Road Glide ST, guys. We're gonna have that first 1K service done pretty soon, and we're gonna have an exhaust in stage 1 on the bike. I'm super excited. You guys make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for it. It's a beautiful day out here, guys. The Kemimoto cup holder. Go get yourself one. Go get yourself one. I'm actually liking this. I'm liking this. Thank you for watching, you guys. My name is Miles. Ride fast. Take chances. Live your best life. I'll see you guys in the next video. Woo! Later.